How many of you have felt a little bit of distress, maybe some fear, anxiety? Well, this song that was created by Harjarine, also known as D-Boss Way, created just for me, will help you lift your spirit, body, and soul in just 3 minutes. Join me on the mini trampoline. Let's go. Optional weights. All right, walk. Brace that core. Relax the shoulders, soften those knees. Step. Ready? Basic bounce. Step up and back. Bounce, center. Over. Or step out. Let's go to scissors. Gonna finish joyful jump. Down, twist, just the heels. Yay! Pretty cool, huh? How you like that song by Harjarine, D-Boss Way? Yeah, thank you so much for that song today. Excuse me. Make sure you stay hydrated. Who says this all the time? Lala, you know Lala, drink your water. Yeah. She says it all the time. Excuse me. I want to give you 2 scriptures today. The first one comes from Psalms 94, verse 19. It says, "The cares of your heart are many. Your consolations cheer my soul." And that means we find hope and we find joy in God's presence and His promises. When life feels chaotic in your mind, trust Him. And then the last one, I haven't been bouncing all week, y'all. I'm a little out of breath. Proverbs 17:22 says, "A merry heart does good like medicine." How many of you know that bitterness and anger, hatred, all that, it can rot the bones, right? We don't want that. We want the joy of the Lord in our life. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you probably tomorrow also. I have 6 new songs that I created on Suno. All right, so we'll see you. God bless you. Take care.